Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Hope all are doing exceptionally well. And I am also on the top of the game. So, this is Ruxana, and welcome back to my channel, Speaking English with Ruxana. Today, I want to share with you 4 tips and tricks. How would you begin your journey? So, while beginning journey in a journey, you can think that you could think that how will you begin your journey with this small amount of English. So don't worry, it happens with everyone and it is natural. For this, I want to share with you 4 tips and tricks. First one is build your vocabs. So nothing happens with empty bucket. If you want to produce something, first immerse yourself with English content. Consume first. Lots of knowledge, lots of words you have to consume first. When you are consuming a lot, then automatically words are coming out from your mouth. So for this, consume a lot of words, and you have to start with very basic. Whenever you look around, only you can say the words related to anything. And for this, as a homemaker, you entered your kitchen and you watch the knife, the gas stove, the fork. You have to speak out loud, and whatever you watch, whatever you look, you have to only say it in English. For you, bottle, clock, bed, room, kitchen, environment, summer, whatever things comes in your mind, only speak it. So you have to gather the words, you have to collect vocabulary. For this, for 5 days you have to collect lots of words, and after collecting these words, you have to go to the second top trick. The second trick is think in English. That is train your brain in English. So whenever you get up from your bed, only you don't think in your native language. You say, I am getting up from my bed, I am drinking a glass of water, I am brushing my teeth, I am looking around, I am enjoying the nature, and my kids are studying. The outside environment is too pleasant. So this way you can express your feelings in English. Don't translate in your native language, only in English. Whatever comes in your mind, don't go for the perfection, only speak it. So the third trick is read out loud. Whatever you read, whatever passage, whatever articles in front of you, you have to read it in loud. So without what benefits comes from reading out loud? So the first, your pronunciation will improve, because something we are not expressing the proper pronunciation. For example, C, we are using C, but she, we can almost say C, but this pronunciation in she. So this way, when you are reading out loud, then your pronunciation will improve, and you will get the right word when and where you have to speak in a right way, and your mouth muscles will active, and you are ready for speaking. And the fourth thing is, don't focus too much on grammar or perfection. Initially you are starting whatever you have, and collect the words and think in English and read out loud. And the fourth is, don't focus on too much grammar, because when you go through the grammar initially, then you are confused, you are perplexed. So removing this perplexity or confusion, you have to go simple way, and you have speak whatever you are the words and sentences coming in your mind, you have to speak it aloud, and in a flow, in a very flow. Don't stop, don't hesitate. You are not thinking about mistakes, because mistakes are common. You are making mistakes means you are not, your life will not go to an end. You are making mistakes means you are learning. Mistakes are the stepping stones of your journey. So don't worry about grammar, don't think too much about mistakes, and without hesitation, without fumbling, without judging others, you have to speak out loud. And for this we should follow these 4 tips and tricks, and then you will find the results, and you will begin to start, you will begin your journey, you will begin your speaking. So speaking comes only from speaking. There is no other tips and tricks. So for this you have to begin whatever the content, whatever the consumption you have with it, you have to speak. And because nothing, and remember, nothing happens overnight. You have to wait for time, because Rome wasn't built in a day, so it takes time. Don't worry about that. And with these 4 things, you begin your journey, you start your speaking, and consume a lot of things, reading a lot, watching a lot, and with English content, and immerse yourself with English surroundings. Because when your bucket is empty, you are not getting the right words. Empty bucket doesn't provide you the true words, the right words, the vocabs. So first you have to consume a lot, and then you have to speak, and without hesitation, without making mistakes, then you will go through your journey. So this is from today's video. Keep learning, keep signing. Thank you. Follow for more.